Good day everyone, this is John Lenes Almario. Welcome to another session of Statistics and Probability. Today we will be discussing computing the mean of a discrete probability function. After going through this lesson, you are expected to illustrate and calculate the mean of a discrete random variable, interpret the mean of a discrete random variable, and solve problems involving mean of a probability distribution. Now, let us try to recall. What is a discrete probability distribution? It consists of the values of the random variable can assume and the corresponding probabilities of the values. What are the properties of a probability distribution? Okay, very good. First, the probability of each value of the random variable must be between or equal to 0 or 1. Next, the sum of the probabilities of all values of the random variable must be equal to 1. So, those two are our properties of probability distribution. Ngayon, let us try to tackle the lesson proper. What goes into your mind when we hear the word mean? In mathematical terms, the mean or average of a dataset is found by adding all the numbers in the dataset then dividing by the number of values in the set. So, ito yung average. I-add lang natin tapos di-divide natin kung ilan yung elements. Ganun lang kasimple yon, yung mean. The mean of a discrete probability distribution is equal to the summation of the random variable x multiplied by its corresponding probability. So, ito yung ating formula ang gagamitin. Ngayon, paano ba natin i-apply yan? Again, yung mu, this corresponds to our mean, the Greek letter mu. Then, x would be our random variable. Then, p of x is our probability. So, sir, paano ba natin kinukuha yung mean ng discrete probability distribution? Okay, so, kuha nating example, ito. Again, 2 balls were drawn in succession without replacement from an urn containing 4 red balls and 6 blue balls. Let z be the random variable representing the number of blue balls. Find the values of the random variable z. So, ito, paano natin kukunin yung mean nito? So, ito yung ating example, simula pa nung unang video. So, ano yung anong step ang gagawin natin? So, step 1, create natin yung probability distribution. So, sa previous video, nakita natin kung paano yung paggawa ng probability distribution. So, i-carry over lang natin ito. So, paano tayo gumawa ng probability distribution? Gagawa tayo ng table of values. Then, its corresponding probability. So, ito yung ito yung table na nagawa natin before. I-adapt lang natin. Then, next, paano yung gagawin natin? Next, we multiply the random variable and its corresponding probability. So, dito, gagawa tayo ng isa pang column na ang kasunod ay ang label ay yung random variable multiplied by its probability. So, paano yun, sir? Ito, i-multiply lang natin dito. Ayan, magkatabi. So, ganun muna, ha? So, again, let's begin. 2 times 1 over 4 is equals to, very good, 2 over 4. Next, 1 multiplied by 2 over 4 is equals to 2 over 4. Then, 0 times 1 over 4 is equals to, very good, 0 na kagad. Bakit? Kasi matik, any number multiplied by 0 except 0 is equals to 0. Ayan, very good. So, ano na ang next? Ang next step natin, i-apply natin yung formula. Ayan, very good. So, ano uli ang formula? I-add lang daw natin ang mean is equals to the summation of the random variable x or random variable multiplied by its probability. So, i-apply lang natin. I-add lang natin ang alin. Ito, i-add lang natin to lahat. So, 2 over 4 plus 2 over 4 plus 0 is equals to 4 over 4 or 1. Yan na ba yung sagot, sir? Yes, yan na yung pagkuha ng mean. So, take note sa pagkuha ng mean, napakadali lang ano. Sa pagkuha ng mean, ang mahalaga dito, may probability distribution ka. Then after nun, mumultiply mo lang yung random variable and corresponding probability. Kuha ba? Okay, good. Next. The probability that a customer will buy 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5 items in a store are 0.3, 0.1, 0.1, 0.2, and 0.3 respectively. What is the average number of items that a customer will buy? So, dito daw, meron daw isang tindahan na lagi may bumibili. At yung probability na bumili yung isang customer ng 1, 2, 3, 4 o 5 bagay doon sa store ay na-compute ngayon yung probability. Ngayon, ano daw yung average item, ilan daw yung binibiling items ng consumer on an average basis. So, paano natin kukomputin to? Again, pag sa mga problem na ganito, pag kinocompute natin yung mean, anong kailangan natin gawin? Unang-una, create tayo ng probability distribution. Paano yun, sir? Of course, gawa tayong table. The left is the random variable x, then to the right is its corresponding probability. Sir, paano pag napagpalit ko yung probability saka yung number of items? Malaki yung chance na mamali kayo. So, take note, be careful sa paglilista, okay? Since respectively ang nakalagay dito, kung paano yung pagkakasunod-sunod niya rito, is ganun din sa probability. Kuha ba? Okay, good. Next step, ngayon may probability distribution na tayo. Ano susunod na gagawin? Very good. Multiply the random variable and its corresponding probability. So, at this point, gagawa na tayo ng column. Ayan, susundan lang natin ang column. Yung table natin, gagawa lang natin ng column sa kanan. Ang label, again, is the number of items and its corresponding probability. Mumultiply daw natin. Alin ang mumultiply? Yung magkakatabi. Ayan. So, multiply natin. 1 times 0.3 is 0.3. 2 times 0.1 is 0.2. 3 times 0.1 is 0.3. 4 times 0.2 is 0.8. 5 times 0.3 is 1.5. Meron pa ba tayo complete? Wala na. So, nakompleto na natin yung column. Ano yung susunod na step? Ang susunod na step ay, of course, i-apply na lang natin yung formula. I-add na lang natin lahat ng nakuha natin dito sa column na to. Okay? So, apply natin formula. So, i-add lang natin. 0.3 plus 0.2 plus 0.3 plus 0.8 plus 1.5. Ano makukuha natin? Very good. Ilan? 3.1. Sir, ba't ganun? May 0.1. Kasi inyong nakuha natin. Sir, may 0.1 items po ba? Walang 0.1 items. Pero it is just a numerical value. Ibig sabihin, most likely, mga 3 yung bibili nung isang customer at any given day. Kuha? Ayun. So, 3.1. Yun yung nakuha nating answer. Sir, question lang po. Bakit? Okay lang po ba kahit may 1.5 dito? Kahit lagpas siya ng 1? Yes naman, kasi eto lang naman yung kailangan eksaktong 1. Pagdating dito, it could be what? Greater than 1. Kasi you are computing for the average, which is 3.1. So, wag matatakot, okay? Kuha ba? Okay, good. So, steps in determining, review natin, steps in determining the mean of a discrete random variable. So, step 1, create a probability distribution. Step 2, multiply the random variable and its corresponding probability. Then, step 3, apply the formula. So, ngayon na-review na natin. Practice tayo.
Get ready for the next battle.
Okay. So, sige. Now, we have two sets of problems or three sets of problems. Let us solve for the mean of the following. So, sa unang dalawa, meron tayong table. Ayan. Sa pangalawa na ito, table din. Then, yung pangatlo, the probabilities of a machine. So, worded problem. Pause nyo muna yung video. Then, after nya, sasagutan natin. Okay? Sige. Okay. Let's now try to answer these questions. Ayan. So, sa una, paano natin siya sasagutan? Of course, since meron na tayong probability distribution, ano nang gagawin natin? Gagawa na lang tayo ng column sa kanan at imumultiply natin yung corresponding probabilities. So, 1 times 1 over 7, and 1 over 7, ayan, sunod-sunod na yan. 6 times 1 over 7, 6 over 7. 11 times 2 over 7, 22 over 7. 16 times 1 over 7, 16 over 7. 21 times 2 over 7, 42 over 7. Again, huwag kayong kakabahan kung sumobra man ito sa 7 or sumobra man yung kabuuan nito sa 1 kasi we are computing for the mean. Okay ba yun? Okay, good. Next, nasusunod natin gagawin. Ayan, very good. I-add na lang natin itong mga to. So, ano ngayon ang sum nito? Okay, very good. Summation nito ay, ayan. Isa-summation lang natin, add lang natin. 1 plus 6, 7, plus 22, 29. 29 plus 16, 45. Plus 42 is what? 87 over 7. Sir, pwede po ba iyan na po ang sagot? Hindi ko na po i-decimal. Yes naman, of course. We will accept that. Pero kung mas trip mong ilagay sa decimal form, okay lang din. Kuha ba? Ayan. So, iyan yung kanyang in decimal form. 12.42857. Non-terminating decimal ito. Divided by 7. Okay? So, pwede naman kayo mag-stick na lang sa fraction. Okay lang naman yun. Wala naman problema. Yan na ba yung sagot, sir? Yes, yan na yung sagot. Okay? Very good. Now, let's proceed to the next problem. Yan. 3, 6, 8, 10, 0.15, 35, 0.4, 0.1. Okay. So, again, paano natin kukumpitin yung mean nito? Okay. Gawa tayo ng column. Then, i-multiply natin. Okay? So, pag minultiply natin, ganito lalabas. 3 times 0.15 is 0.45. 6 times 0.35, 2.1. 8 times 0.4 is equals to 3.2. 10 times 0.1 is equals to 1. Ayan. So, meron na tayo nito, nakakompleto na natin ito, itong column na to. Anong next step? I-add na lang natin, which is, paano yun, sir? Of course, i-add lang natin using the formula, summation nitong column na to. Magiging ganyan, 0.45 plus 2.1 plus 3.2 plus 1. Anong makukuha nating sagot? Very good, ang galing talaga. This is 6.75. Ayan, very good. Yan na ba sagot, sir? Yes, yan na. Pag decimal na lang as is. Pero pag fraction, kung nagda-doubt kayo sa pagdi-divide sa calculator, it's okay. I will accept the fraction. Okay? Very good. Next. Probabilities of a machine manufacturing 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5 defective parts in one day are 0.75, 0.17, 0.04, 0.025, 0.01, and 0.05 respectively. Find the mean of the probability distribution. So again, paano natin kukuhanin yung mean? Step 1, kukuha tayo ng gagawin natin yung probability distribution. Ayan. So take note, lalo sa decimal, ingat lang po. Bakit? Kasi baka mamaya magkalituhan sa kung anong place siya, kung tens place, hundreds place. Minsan alam natin kaso sa pagpindot sa calcu, medyo sumasablay. So, again, careful. Okay? So, make sure na tama yung ini-input nyo. Tingnan nyo kung tama yung decimal, yung pagkaka-place nyo ng 0 sa decimal. Okay? Okay. Next. Once na meron na tayo nitong probability distribution table, nasusunod, i-add na lang natin. Or i-multiply pala, sorry. I-multiply na lang natin yung corresponding random variable and its probability. So, pag kinumpit natin yan, magiging gato sagot. 0 times 0.75, 0. 1 times 0.17, 0.17. 2 times 0.04, 0.08. 3 times 0.25, 0.075. 4 times 0.01, 0.04. 5 times 0.005. Very good. 0.025. Once na meron na tayo yan, ano na susunod? Very good. I-apply na natin yung formula. We will just simply add the numbers that we have, the answers that we have, that we had on the column. Ito. Kung ano yung sagot natin dito, i-add lang natin. Okay? So, ano kaya ang makukuha nating sagot? Ayan. Very good. Ano ulit? Nice. 0.39. Yan ba nakuha yung sagot? Okay. Very good. Nakuha ba? Okay. Very good. Therefore, the machine will produce most likely 0 defective parts in a day. Ano ibig sabihin nun? Wala namang 0.39 na parts kung 1 part, 1 part. So, most likely, etong machine na to ay most likely hindi makapag-produce ng defective parts. Iyan ang analysis. Kuha ba? Okay, good. Again, thank you for watching. Abangan niyo yung kung gusto niyo malaman kung paano kumpitin yung variance at standard deviation ng probability distribution, proceed lang kayo sa next video. Again, this is John Leonel Salmario saying, remember, trust the process. Bye guys! See you soon.